Greetings! Today we will make very quick and delicious recipe of chicken wrap with sesame and mushrooms. Chicken breast, finely chopped. Add 2 cloves of garlic. Finely chopped mushrooms, 100 grams. 1 bell pepper, finely chopped. 3 tablespoons sour cream. You can replace it with 100 grams of feta cheese. Mix it well. Salt and pepper to taste. Also, you can add a pinch of oregano and basil. One egg. We will need the white and yolk separately. Put our filling on pita bread or tortilla, but leave some space around the edges. Brush the edges with egg white. Wrap the pita bread and brush the top with egg yolk. Do the same with the second pita bread. Place in a mold and sprinkle sesame seeds on top. Bake in the oven for 20 minutes at 190 Celsius, 374 Fahrenheit. Ready! The taste is incredible, and fried sesame will give your dish an unforgettable taste. The simplicity of the recipe makes it very easy to prepare, especially if you don't want to do something complicated. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. This is very important for the growing of the channel. Thanks for watching.